జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 68th శ్లోక ఆఫ్ 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ya idam paramam guhyam madbhakteshu abhidhasyati భక్తిం మయి పరాం కృత్వా మామేవ యేష్యతి అసంశయః. ఓం. Do you want to become dear one to Sri Krishna Paramatma? If yes, then start imparting Sri Krishna Paramatma's most affectionate teaching Bhagavad Gita to all the worthy people, to all the devotees. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all of Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotees. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. "Ho Krishna, ho Srimannarayana, I shall start spreading your message to all the worthy people. I do want to become more dearer to you. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall do as you say. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 8th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Srimannarayana saying to Aditi like this, O Aditi, I am very much satisfied with your Payovratam. I am going to be born as your son, and I will protect all of your children. Now you start worshipping your husband Kasyapa Prajapati. Mancha bhavayati patyau evam rupam avasthitam. Your husband Kasyapa Prajapati always feeling my presence in his body. So you start pleasing Kasyapa Prajapati. With his blessing you will be becoming pregnant. Then I will enter into your pregnancy with my spark. Ni garbhagarambu vachi chocheda garamuna pimpavamma karunannannun. I will be born as your son. But, O Devamata Aditi, this is Devaguhyam. This is such a highly confidential thing. Naitat parasmai akhyayam prushthayapi kadhanchana sarvam sampadyate devi devaguhyam susamvrutam. Even if somebody asks, you do not tell them. You should not tell them. This is Deva Rahasyam. This kind of confidential things, if they are not revealed, they will give great results. Like that, Sriman Narayana told Aditi and disappeared from there. Then Devamata, after getting that boon from Sriman Narayana, she felt very happy and she started pleasing Kasyapa Prajapati. Pravishtam Atmani Harehe Amsam. Then Kasyapa Prajapati also realized in his tapas that Sakshat Sriman Narayana entered into him. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 68th sloka. Ya imam paramam guhyam madbhakteshvabhidhasyati bhaktim mayi param krutva mame vaishyatya samsayaha. Yaimam paramam guhyam madbhakteshvabhidhasyati bhaktim mayi param krutva mame vaishyatya samsayaha. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.